I want to do a little video here on my Silverado. It's a 2008 2500 series HD, and my low beam is out. I think the book calls for taking the grill off, but it's hard to see. But the thing, I don't even know if you can see in there. Basically, it's right there, right below my finger. You can't get your hands in there anyway. So what I did was I took a Torx head and undid the air filter cover, pushed it to the side, took the air filter out. Here's the air filter box, which is not bolted down. You just got to give it a quick yank. I already did it because I had to use two hands, but basically it's just held in by those little rubber clips that go down into here and here, and then you can squeeze your hand in there and get to the bulb and turn it, I hope, and pull it out, and there it is. It's a standard H11 bulb. So I think the dealer puts in way too many hours for this, because if you look some of the stuff up, you have to take off these clips and pull this off, and I think take the grill off or something and go in there. And I think on the high beam they actually say to take the front bumper off, so hopefully, you know, you don't have to do that. You might be able to go in up into the wheel well and do it. Luckily my high beams are okay for now. I actually just had the engine replaced in this truck, and I should have thought of having them replace all 4 bulbs while the engine was out, because it would have been basically just the price of the bulbs. Well, that's it. Should be back on the road.